I have another quadratic equation that has complex solutions. Let's solve it. First, I'm going to use the quadratic formula, so I'm going to label this as A, B, and then C. So then we have x is equal to negative, our b is negative 2, plus or minus the square root of our b of negative 2 squared, minus 4 times 3, and then times 7. All of this is going to be over 2 times our a value of 3. Now we need to clean up the inside of the radical. So make sure that you type that into your calculator. Once you type that into your calculator, you get negative 80. And then we want to make sure that we simplify this radical. So I'm going to take it to the side over here. And then I'm going to separate the negative 1 from 80. Also, I'm going to think about the highest perfect square that's going into 80. And that's going to be 16. But then 16 times what is 80? And that would be 5. So then now you're ready to simplify. And I take it one piece at a time. So if you take the square root of negative 1, you know that I is going to come outside. So then you have 16 times 5 still on the inside. However, 16 is a perfect square, so we can always take the square root of that. And we're going to get 4 to join I on the outside, with 5 still being inside. So then now we're ready to replace this radical of negative 80 with 4i radical 5. So we're going to have x is equal to 2 plus or minus 4i radical 5 divided by 6. We're almost finished, but notice that 2, 4, and 6 are all divisible by 2. So then let's do that. If we divide everything by 2, we're going to get x is equal to 1 plus or minus. Here we're going to have 2i radical 5. And then all of that is going to be divided by, we have 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then that's it. That's our answer. 1 plus or minus 2i radical 5 divided by 3. Again, it all depends on how your teacher wants your answer. So they may have you write it as 1 over 3 plus or minus 2i radical 5 over 3. Now, they may also have you break that apart and do 1 over 3 plus 2i radical 5 over 3, and also 1 over 3 minus 2i radical 5 over 3. But that is it. If you have not followed us already, make sure you follow us for more. We'll see you next time.